Hello guys from wherever you are, hope you're doing well. It's Coach GOG here again with a new video. So if you don't know guys, Kenya, we are experiencing elections. We have elections underway. There's the vote counting that is underway as we are speaking, and we also hope for the best. So guys, wherever you are watching this from, please pray for us so that you might find a good leader who will be able to shape this country for the better. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So we'll be talking about Recuva. For those who don't know, Recuva is a data recovery software that has been there for the past, I think, around 10 years or so. So this software, it's a Windows application. You can be able to recover lost data from your removable storage devices such as hard disks, flash drives, memory cards, and the likes. And I will show you how to download it, install it into a machine, and how to properly put in the settings so that you may get your data if you had lost it. And remember, you can also recover data that has been formatted from your hard disk. Normally, people don't know that when you delete something from your hard drive, there's a part of the memory within the hard drive that isn't actually lost. It stays there because when you actually format it, you just create new sectors so that every time you copy something into the hard drive, you can copy it successfully. Now these sectors, they have their own memories called buffers. Now these buffers are the ones that they hold the memory, they hold the location of where by you had stored the previous data earlier. That is why when you format a hard disk, you create new sectors within the previous sectors that had been created, like you're overwriting them. When you overwrite something, it's like you replacing this with this. So like the original one that was there will not be lost. Now I'll be displaying over to my laptop here and show you how it's done. Come with me. So guys, as you can see here, this is the Recuva app that I was talking to you about. From Recuva Professional Business Technician is a Windows utility to restore files that have been accidentally deleted from your computer. This includes files emptied from the recycle bin, as well as images and other files that have been deleted by user error from digital camera or MP3 players or USB hard drives. So guys, this is how the application app is. As you can see, these are all the features of the app. You can undelete files on your computer, you can recover from damaged or formatted disks, you can recover deleted emails, recover deleted iPod music, restore unsaved Word documents. You can quick start the wizard deep scan. The deep scan enables you to search for files deeper, files that have been formatted. So guys, let me show you how to quick start the app or to open it. So this is the app. When you first open it, to be like that. So this wizard will come up for first time users. Then you click next. Then you can choose to recover any type of deleted file that you want. Either it's pictures, music, it like categorize them to make work easier. So you want to recover all files, just go to all files, then click next. Then there's a drive image. A drive image is a snapshot of the drive. What this basically means is that it will create like an ISO, like a disk image in order to store all the recovered files from, or you can choose just to recover them to a disk. So you can recover from my drive, the drive that you can choose to recover from the drive that has been deleted the items, or you can create an ISO image in order that once you create this image, the deleted items that had been lost, you can recover into this image. So you click next. Let's go with the first one. Now here, if you're not sure where the items or the location of where the files had been lost, you can click the first option, or if you are sure of where you had lost your items, you can check these options here, or you can go to a specific location. If it's C drive, or if you have an external hard drive, you select it from here, then you click next. So in this case, you can click next. Then if you want the Recuva app to actually find your files properly, you check the enable deep scan, then you click OK. Now for me, I won't be able to do this because I haven't lost any app. Now when you successfully when the dialog box has reached the end, you will see the list of file names in this on this page here, and then you click down here, recover. Then you'll be able to recover all your data. Just as simple as that. Just click scan. For example, here, if I click scan, just giving up to this how it looks. You'll be able to see the list of files that are deleted and others that had been partially deleted. And the good thing about this app, you can also see the recovery rate. If it's either excellent or partial recovered or not recovered at all. In that way, you can be able to know which files can be able to be recovered and which files cannot be recovered. So it's processing. Let's wait for it to finish. Now, as you can see here, you see the ones with the red like circle. The ones with the red circle means that they cannot be recovered. The ones with the green one means they can be recovered, and the ones with the orange circle means they can be partially recovered. So that's it, guys. That's just how you use the Recuva application. It's pretty straightforward. You just come here, select your drive that you want to recover the data from, click scan. After finishing scan, now you look for a place where you want to place your recovered files, and then you click recover. The process to recover will vary according to the type of hard disk and the space that the disk write speed that it has. So for SSDs, it usually takes less time as compared to hard drives because of the write speed. So you might be able to recover data from a hard drive. For example, you might be able to recover from a normal hard drive. It may take 4 to 5 hours. For SSDs, it may take 1 to less than an hour. So guys, if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. I'll post the link to download this app in the description. And without further ado, let's end it here.